Hi guys, welcome to Colossal Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Alright, so today we want to talk about the binomial expansion. And under this binomial expansion, I'm going to be explaining to you how you are going to be making use of the Pascal triangle in today's class. So what do we mean by the Pascal triangle? So the Pascal triangle, if I have an expression x plus y with any power, let's say power a, this is where my Pascal triangle will be what will be needed. So I'm going to be explaining the uses and why the Pascal triangle is very important in this video. Alright, so the Pascal triangle goes this way. So you start with 1 and you end with 1. So if I start with 1 here, then I'll start with 1 again and the 1 will stop. Then I'll start with 1 again. 1 plus 1 will give me 2. Then I will end with 1 again. Then 1, I'll start with 1 again. 1 plus 2 will give me 3. 2 plus 1 will give me what? 3. Then I will end with 1 again. So I'll start with 1 again. 1 plus 3 will give me 4. 3 plus 3 will give me 6. 3 plus 1 will give me 4. Then you will end with 1 again. So you go again, start with 1 again. 1 plus 4 will give me what? 5. 4 plus 6 will give me what? 10. 6 plus 4 will give me what? 10. 4 plus 1 will give me what? 5. And you end with 1 again. So the last one, let's stop here for now. This will be, start with 1 again. 1 plus 5 will give me what? 6. 5 plus 10 will give me what? 15. 10 plus 10 will give me what? 20. 10 plus 5 will give me what? 15. 5 plus 1 will give me what? 6. Then you end with 1 again. Now you may be looking at it and say, oh, what's the use of this nonsense? It is very useful. Now if you have an expression x plus y with power 0, the answer will give you what? 1, because anything raised to power 0 is what? 1. Now for this, if you have x plus y raised to power 1, it is the same thing as what? X plus y. The quotient of this is what? 1, and the quotient of this is what? 1. So that is the usage. Now let's continue. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. So for this is for x plus y if it is raised to power 2. Then this is for x plus y when it is raised to power 3. Then it goes on and on. Then this is for x plus y when it is raised to power what? Power 6. This is for x plus y when it is raised to power 4. And this for x plus y when it is raised to power 5. Alright, now I'm going to solve a particular question using this system. That is where you are going to understand the usage of this Pascal triangle. So now let's say I have a question. Let's say I want to expand x plus y raised to power 3. Now how will I do this? This is the expansion for power 3. But what will I do with this? It is very simple. Just follow my step. Now the first thing you do is that as your x will take the first power, so that will be x raised to power what? 3. X raised to power what? 3. Then your y will take power 0. Your y will take what? Power 0 plus, what's the next coefficient here? 3. I get what I'm saying now. X will take what? The power will reduce 2. Then the power of y will increase 1. I get what I'm saying now. So the thing is, as your x is decreasing, your y will be what? Increasing. And you'll be imputing the what? The coefficient. These are the coefficients. So the first coefficient is what? Is 1. The next coefficient is what? 3. Plus the next coefficient is also what? 3 again. Then what will happen to power x now? It will reduce to what? To 1. And your y will do what? Will increase to what? 2. Do you get that now? Plus, what's the next coefficient? 1. So your power x, you don't need to write the 1. Your power x will decrease to power what? 0. Then your y will increase to what? Power what? 3. Now that will now be what? Y raised to power 0 is what? 1. So that will be what? X cubed plus this will give us what? 3x squared. Y raised to power 1 is what? 1. Y rather plus 3. X raised to power 1 is what? X. So this is x. Then that's y squared plus y raised to power 3. So the usage of Pascal triangle is to save you from the stress of having to write this. You know, the normal expansion for this is x plus y x plus y. So rather than going through the long process of solving, the Pascal triangle will be of great help to you. Alright, so let's see another question. Let's say I want to expand now. I want to expand 2x plus 3, let's say 2x plus y raised to power 4 now. Now, if you have this expansion, you can say, oh, this is a lot. How will I do this? It is very, very simple. Just the same step also. So this, don't forget, this is power 4. We'll be making use of that. So the first thing, this is my A, this is my A here, and this is my B. Don't forget, as your A is increasing, your B will be what? Decreasing. So that will now be what? The first thing, 2 raised to power x, it will take what? Power 4. I'm putting it in brackets because of these numbers. Then y will be what? Power what? 0. Plus the next thing, your 2 raised to power x will decrease, right? But don't forget the coefficient, which is what? 4. Followed by what? 4. Then you write your what? 2x. It will now take what? Power what? 3. Then y what? Power 1. Alright? Then plus, what's the next coefficient? 6. Open the bracket, 2 raised to power, 2x raised to power what now? 2. Then y raised to power what now? 2. Plus, what's the next coefficient now? 4. Then you write it again, 2x. Write your 2x again, raised to power what now? 1. Then y raised to power what? 3. Plus, what's the last coefficient? 1. So I don't need to write that. That will be what? 2 raised to power x, all raised to power what? 0. Then y raised to power what? 4. Alright? So after that, the next thing you have to do is to expand this using your indices. In indices, if you expand this will take power 4, and 2 raised to power 4 will give me what? 16. X raised to power 4 is x raised to power 4. Y raised to power 0 is what? 1. Plus 4. Open bracket, 2 raised to power 3 is what? 8. Then x raised to power what? 3. Open bracket, y. Alright? Plus 6. 2 raised to power 2 is what? 4. Then x what? Squared. Then y squared. Plus 4. 2 raised to power 1 is 2. X raised to power 1 is what? X. Then y raised to power what? 3. Plus 2 raised to power 0 is what? 1. X raised to power 0 is what? 1. Then y raised to power what? 4. Hope you are following my process. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video to your loved ones. So let's multiply now. 16 times x raised to power 4 will give us 16 x raised to power what? 4. Plus 4 times 8 will give us what? 32. Then what? X cubed y. Plus 6 times 4 will give me what? 24. Then x squared y squared. Alright? Plus 4 times 2 will give me what? 8. Then x y cubed. Plus 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times y raised to power 4 will give me what? Y raised to power what? 4. So this is the process you use when expanding using the Pascal triangle. So in my next video, I'll be explaining on how to expand using the binomial theorem, which we are going to be making use of the combination and the permutation explanation. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel once again, like and share this video. So before I go, I'd love to give you an assignment and receive the answer in the comment section. So if you get the answer correctly, I'm going to be giving you a great gift for the week. So just expand this 3y plus, let's say 3x, or let me use 4a plus 3b raised to the power of 6. So if you can expand this, give me the answer in the comment section. There will be a gift for the first person to answer the question. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you very much, and do have a great day.